Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Brookhaven Roblox video. This is my main avatar. Take a look at it. Guys, we're checking out the new construction update in Brookhaven, and I joined a pretty good server if you look in the chat. But let's just check out the update first. So I think there's a new car, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that car out. So guys, let's look for the car. Oh, let's see. I can't find it. It's probably premium. Oh my goodness, they added these cars. I'm gonna get this car out. Oh my goodness, guys. This is one of my best videos ever. Let's hop in. How do you get in? Like that. Oh my goodness, can you do anything in it? Can you like pick up the thing? I don't know. You can, I think. Let's see. No, it's the same thing. Oh, this is weird. Oh, let's just drive then. I think it goes by itself. Oh, there's a button on top. Oh, yes. There should be a new construction house, so I'm gonna go check that out. I hate the smoke effect. That's what everyone says about the other construction truck. No. Let's just get a house out. Right. If there's a house, I'm surprised not so many people are getting it. Because it probably is going to be super cool. Let's just claim this plot. Let's now pick. Oh my goodness, guys. Help me. It just fogged me out of Roblox. Okay, we're back. Let's see the construction house. That construction house was there always. I'm looking. There must be a reason. Oh my goodness, I'm spawning this house every day. It's like a construction building getting. Por favor. Guys, do you know what language this is? This is me adopt. I'm saying me adopt, I'm gonna say. I just said hi. I'm going to say I am filming. Maybe they'll understand that. I'll say, she's asking me, I'll say, no. Sorry, I spelled wrong. But I should correct it. Nope, it didn't. She just said por favor. This person just said in the chat, hi, I'm Bobby. This person said, let's troll people as Mr. Krabs. What the heck of a comment like is that? Okay, let's just get in. I think this is like a construction house. Everyone has it. Oh, there's a porta potty outside. Let's go there. It'll look cool. I'm gonna get this house every time. Is there an actual toilet in here? I think there should be an actual toilet in here. Is there? Imagine that. Okay, so there was an actual toilet. Okay, so guys.